Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Breville Barista Express with us in the shop. It came in because every time you would turn it on, or even if it did turn on and you're able to use the functions, every time you hit something that related to water, it will trip the GFCI. When we went in there, we found, and I have the original one here so I can show you. This is your Breville assembly. And you could tell just it's been leaking a lot. And so that will touch our electrical connection and it will pop the GFCI. And so we replaced it with an entirely new one, replaced all the gaskets, even gaskets that are unrelated to this, just to make sure that we didn't get any leaks in the machine. And now we're online. That's literally all we did. We didn't do a cleaning or anything else on top of that. And so we're just going to test the machine, test the grinding, test the hot water, test the steam, test brewing. So we have a portafilter here, the one that came with the machine. Put some coffee in there. We're gonna hit the grind. Quite loud. Again, it's an older machine, so typically super normal. I'm gonna stop it prematurely because I did have it on double. This is a borrow tamper because it didn't come with one. But we're gonna just tamp the coffee, do a little twist because we don't have a wedge here for a Breville. Do a quick tamp. Again, we have a nice bit of coffee. Lock it in here. We're gonna get a cup real quick. Put it right under and we're gonna brew a double. There's some water. And now it's gonna ramp up to espresso range. And yeah, it's brewing a shot. There's that shot for you, and just to show you how the group head looks when you just hit it by itself, put the coffee to the side. Again, we didn't do any cleaning or anything like that. I recommend back flushing this machine when you get it, wiping the machine down. I did wipe a little bit, but not all of it. I wiped the screen because it was quite a mess. See, you can hear the pre-infusion then goes right through. No GFCIs are popping. Cool. Now, when we did that, we're going to test the hot water function. We're just going to put this right under the hot water, and we're going to twist it there. As you see, steady stream. Again, the machine's still running, no leaks in the machine. Turn this off. Last test is if we put this here and test the steamer. And for cleaning products for the steamer, I recommend Rinsa or any sort of cleaner detergent that is used for milk products because milk will get stuck in here. And you will oftentimes either taste really bad milk or your steam on will have a really bad smell. But yeah, steam's working well. Again, the machine hasn't popped the GFCI just because we replaced all the leaks and replaced that really bad solenoid assembly. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.